Hey, do you know what a makerspace is? Let me show you. Okay, let's go.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Let's be real, a makerspace can be so many different things depending on who you are and what you want to do. Here at Discovery World, we have a lot of technology and a lot of resources to help you, whether it's a personal project or you've never touched anything like this in your entire life. And if you've ever heard of Discovery World, then maybe you go, well, it's just a place for kids. It is, but we want the STEAM experience to be available to literally anybody, no matter what. Make sure you check our website and our social media pages because we're always posting some new stuff that we are doing, some pretty cool things coming in the very near future that I promise you don't want to miss it at all. You gotta come in. I mean, really, you gotta come here. So I'll be happy to show you around. Okay, bye. Oh, clearly I'm a professional. Okay. Anyway.